What if I told you that you were sitting on a literal gold mine? While most backyard gardeners spend hours breaking their backs to grow a few dollars worth of tomatoes, smart entrepreneurs are turning ordinary plants into liquid gold. Welcome to the highly profitable, secretly lucrative world of essential oil extraction. In 2026, the global demand for pure organic essential oils has absolutely exploded. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform a tiny patch of dirt into a $10,000 a year backyard business using one simple, ancient extraction method. Let's get into it. Let's break down the math, because the profit margins in this business are absolutely insane. A standard 1-ounce bottle of pure, high-grade lavender or peppermint oil easily sells for $25 to $40 online. The secret here is value addition. You are not selling a raw, cheap plant. You are selling a highly concentrated, premium product used in luxury cosmetics, natural medicine, and aromatherapy. By extracting the oil yourself, you capture 100% of the profit margin without paying any middlemen. So, what exactly should you grow? You want high-yield, low-maintenance cash crops that produce a massive amount of oil. Your top 3 moneymakers are lavender, peppermint, and rosemary. They survive in poor soil, require very little water, and naturally repel pests, meaning you don't have to spend a single dime on toxic pesticides. You can pack hundreds of these plants into a small backyard, a driveway edge, or even a vertical terrace garden. Once they're established, they grow back year after year, giving you a free, endless supply of raw materials. Now, how do you actually turn plants into cash? You use a magical, low-cost piece of equipment called a Copper Alembic Still. The process is called steam distillation. You simply pack your freshly harvested herbs into the top chamber, add water to the bottom, and apply heat. As the steam rises through the plants, it violently bursts open the microscopic oil glands. The steam carries the vaporized oil through a cooling pipe where it turns back into a liquid. Because oil and water do not mix, the pure essential oil floats straight to the top. The final step is where you multiply your profits: packaging and branding. Never sell your oil in cheap plastic containers. To charge premium prices, you must use dark amber or cobalt blue glass bottles. This protects the oil from sunlight and instantly gives your product a luxury, high-end feel. Create a clean, minimalist label that proudly says 100% pure, locally grown. You can sell these directly on platforms like Etsy, at local farmers markets, or to boutique soap and candle makers in your city who are desperate for authentic, organic ingredients. Extracting essential oils is the ultimate backyard side hustle. It requires minimal space, extremely low startup costs, and offers massive financial returns. Are you ready to turn your garden into a liquid gold mine? Let me know which plant you would grow first in the comments below. If you found this video valuable and want to discover more high-profit business ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.